Okay, perfect. Now we've got this all sized up. The client is approved of the sizing. So as we're going to weld, we're going to put this nice little leather patch underneath the chain. Just really, you don't need it, but it'll help the client feel more comfortable. I'm holding onto that link with my grounded pliers. I'm going to come up here and just make a weld really quickly. Now I'm doing this by hand, but you can also do this underneath the ADL, underneath the microscope, whatever is more comfortable for you. As I'm going to weld this, I'm going to be wearing my safety glasses, my welding glasses, and I'm going to let the client know to not look at the weld, or if they want to look at the weld, then they can wear the glasses as well, or they can watch it through their phone. So all I'm going to do here, I already have my settings preset. I'm going to come up here and just quickly touch up here and make the weld. Okay, that looks pretty good. What I'll do is I'm going to polish this up in the next video and take a picture of it, show the client, and we'll make sure that everything looks good.